Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, I want to show you some interesting tech toys I found on Amazon. If you're looking to inspire your kids' creativity and introduce them to technology, these toys might just do the trick. Let's jump into the video. Power Up 4.0. Grab a piece of paper, fold it, and voila! Instantly put yourself in the cockpit of an amazing smartphone-controlled paper airplane that performs high-speed maneuvers. The Bluetooth module, which includes autopilot control, connects to your phone so you can experience the sensation of flying in numerous paper airplane models. Loops, barrel rolls, and hammerheads are achieved with the special acro mode. A quick 30-minute charge provides 10 minutes of flight, along with an incredible range of up to 230 feet. Traveling at up to 32 kilometers per hour, your airplane will spend less time on the runway and more time in the air. Simply connect the included micro USB cable to a charging port and plan your next trip. 4M Tabletop Robot. The 4M Tabletop Robot introduces STEM mechanical and robotic engineering concepts through an entertaining and accessible science kit. Kids build a scuttling mechanical crab that gets close but won't fall over the edge. Easy to assemble, this robotics kit gives kids a real hands-on opportunity to build their own moving robot. Includes components, accessories, and easy-to-follow instructions. You will need a small crosshead screwdriver and one AA battery, not included. Recommended for ages 8 and up. Robotic Arm Kit. LuArm is an elementary 6DUF desktop robot arm outfitted with 6 high-quality digital servos. It is capable of remote control grasping, object transportation, custom actions, graphical programming, and more. It serves as the ideal platform for building and showcasing creative projects and for learning about bionic robotics. The robot arm end is equipped with 3 anti-blocking servos, complete with gear clutches that significantly extend the servo's lifespan. It supports PC, app, mouse, and wireless handle control. Users can control the robot at your fingertips. LuArm supports Arduino and Raspberry Pi expansion, allowing you to unlock additional functionalities for the robot arm. GoCube Bluetooth. This Bluetooth-enabled Smart Speed Cube brings a new engaging and smooth touch to the classic puzzle. Charge, quickly connect, and let the app guide you through exciting lessons, games, online competitions, and mental exercises with friends and cubers from around the world. The GoCube teaches the fundamentals of problem-solving and develops spatial awareness. It comes with a set of mini-games to stimulate memorization skills and hand-eye coordination. Play and battle in real time with friends and players from all over the world. Regardless of your experience or level, there are various battle modes and games for all skills and abilities. 5-in-1 STEM Building Toys. The science kits are a perfect educational engineering construction kit designed to enhance your child's STEM practical skills while introducing them to the world of drones and STEM concepts. A total of 159 pieces of toy building sets can be used to build at least 5 different models of RC drones. This includes a step-by-step guide booklet for kids, making it easy to reference and construct a variety of designs. All bricks are made of high-quality ABS material, non-toxic, with smooth edges and a smooth surface treatment. The remote control operates on 2.4 GHz, providing stable transmission performance, strong signal, and very strong anti-interference capability. It supports many drones to play simultaneously. And last but not least, the best part. Your like on our video is just one click away, and it helps our channel grow. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. 3D pin set for kids. Designed with no hot parts, completely safe for kids aged 6+. Pin nozzle and plastic can be touched with no burn risks. Uses only the safest 3 Doodler Start plastic filaments. Cut back on children's screen time with 3 Doodler Start Plus and let them enjoy hours of play and learning as they make real-world connections to a variety of STEM concepts in a matter of seconds. Dash Coding Robot. Dash is a real robot that responds to voice commands or any of our 5 free apps for singing, drawing, and moving. It's more than just learning to program. The Dash robot allows children to explore loops, events, conditions, and sequences and see the results of the robot's movements in real life. Smart design and an approachable personality make Dash the perfect companion for boys and girls aged 6 to 11. Dash can be programmed to sing, dance, navigate obstacles, respond to voice commands, and act to solve challenges in the app. Spectrums. Discover musical creation without spending money on expensive and unique instruments with Spectrums. Tap on any surface or on the included play pad to create sounds, loops, and beats. This app-enabled musical toy is scalable for all skill levels, from curious kids to experienced musicians. With over 2 hours of gameplay, Spectrums mimics the functions of digital drums, keyboards, and MIDI pads and can play an infinite number of sounds, including your own. These musical rings are made of durable silicone, so they can withstand countless beats and compositions. QScout STEM. QScout helps children learn programming in a step-by-step manner, taking them from simple and fun drag-and-drop programming with Scratch graphics to advanced programming with Arduino and Python. It allows children to learn coding, electronics, and robotics through building and playing while improving their logical thinking, hands-on skills, creativity, and other abilities. This STEM toy, configured with an open-source system, is compatible with a wide range of electronic modules and parts available on the Roboblock website, and you can customize your QScout at Roboblock. Solar-powered car V1. Inspire your child's curiosity and creativity with this engaging solar-powered car kit. As they build and experiment, they'll learn about solar power, electronics, and mechanics in a fun and interactive way. This car can be powered by both solar power and batteries, giving your child the innovative option to experiment with both power solutions and exploring renewable energy sources with a focus on solar power. With a user-friendly design and step-by-step instructions, this car kit is easy for children aged 8 to 12 to assemble. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, take care